Place breezy, breezy as hell today. Today is Sunday, June 15. It's Father's Day. You guys not gonna see that video till tomorrow, Monday. Hopefully, that's the aim for put everything together, edit, and then send it off right away. But today we have a special, very special to me, special guest to introduce you guys to. So I head down now to the Velocity Father's Day Car Meet, and yeah, but we make a stop first in the Emancipation Park. Yeah man, you can tell somebody in at the right place. So the line there, the line forgot the car meet. What's your 86 there? Clean. Just miss it. Yeah man, definitely they are the right place. 86 them clean for you, you know. You have the new jet tour them. Hi. Hi. Your lip looks so crusty. Crusty lip. I don't know. This is my gingerbread man. She's here today with me. Remember we got a VelocityJA Car Meet, and today our first car meet. Make a wait till we reach in our meet. Show you what to expect. It's an AMG GT. You see? Look. Well, I just get my ticket a while ago. Me youth believe HH Media busy as hell. I don't know that go already. Alright, so me and Kalia. Oh, I never get a formal introduction. This is Kalia, my daughter. Yeah. So your first car meet. I don't know if I'm me alone. You don't know that baby smell there. Your baby smell nice, you know, brother? Baby smell nice. We have an AMG GT, and right behind it we have the Lamborghini Huracan. Ready to see some fast car, Kalia? Lamborghini Huracan. Kalia, don't climb me. Kalia, try to climb me. Yo! Can't expect a whole heap of machine for today, man. At least we're going to see all of them. We have a bunch of artists just rolling. What's your... Oh God, bro. You're good. It's a Jordan, by the way. So like the man, what you? Yo, yeah, deal with her. Oh God, oh God. Oh, my daughter, yeah. What's up, man? Ah, the squad out. Yeah, man. Sure about our slippers more than anything else, apparently. See if I can try going at the meet now, though. What's your man? What's your man? What's your man? Good, bro. elevator going up. Wait. You wanna kick them out? Kalia kick off our slippers again. M3CS right there. Oh, this Daniel. What's your man? What's your man? What's your man? Of course, you know them nights, they're way too dangerous for poor little Kalia is. Come! Put her for sit down so we can put on back our slippers. Again. Alright? So a little trooper, you know. Just get over some sickness that she did have. See her here? Ready? Gone. No, it's kind of eased down a while ago. So, may I bring her back to make sure look for a couple of the car then. What's up? Hold on. Where did you bring her? Why not? The man I laugh after because I cut my ear, brother. Watch him. No. Show me where you want to go. Okay. Alright, mama. Now what happened to you now? Kalia? What's up? What's up? Give me a hug. You alright? Yeah. You alright? I can see where you go. I can see where you carry me. I'm like an old lady, you know. I hope she not drop. Because she just learn. Hold on, miss. Hold on. Nothing at all, not average, but them here. X3M comp. Comp. Carry a madman. So tell me, what is your favorite car?
What is my favorite car?
Yes, sir.
This Pro Box right here is my favorite car.
This Pro Box?
Yes.
This Pro Box. Lovely.
In reality, I like GTRs, Porsches, and I love Bugattis.
Yeah, man.
I plan to bring probably like an Aston Martin and a Bugatti down here. You get me? Shadow break out.
That's cool no man. Boy, I don't know what she's going on. Gotta carry them the back car. In our own little way. Come, miss. Come. Turn around. You and them slippers, you're not going to work with me, you know. Yeah, brief, make you walk barefoot. You think so? Where the bro? Brother. Can I get over that carrier, you know? Watch your man. M2 comp. S55.
The S50.
No man, S55, another man. It's on the M4 and the M3. Can't go around. Look clean, you know? Sure. Oh, go on. Come on. Leo. Bro, look how this low, brother. Right there. Ooh. Kalia, say bye. Mr. Kalia Lambo. RG82. That's what she say bye. Say bye, Kalia. Bye. Never see a car stuck by any slope in a Jamaica. It's a Bentley. Watch me, Kai. What you make like? Yeah. Grab it! something up. Get him something up. Chips, chips. Bye.